Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm still over here in the garage with the Koozer thing going on. Chris from the shade has been helping out a lot. So I went ahead and I was gonna go out with my wife, and I came into the garage to get the dog food and serve him. And we've been talking on Instagram. By the way, Alex mtb84, check it out. And he suggested that I might be missing a cap. I don't see anything missing on the packet or anything like that, but he did mention like just put it in there, the frame itself will keep it in place. So I did is keeping it in place, and it's not moving anymore, but I think I need spacers. So stay tuned for a video about that. I do have the spacers because right now the brake is rubbing, so I gotta put in a spacer right there, which I do have. Hopefully that will take care of that, because this is a 142 hub and this is actually a 141 frame, so I need a spacer somewhere, because when I go all the way down it has an extra click and it wants to jump on the outside. My limits are okay, I checked that. The low gear is not falling, so it's good, but when I go over here it kind of wants to skip. So I'm gonna try a spacer behind the cassette. I'm gonna make a separate video about that, and hopefully that will take care of the problem. But yeah, that's where we stand right now. So other than that, thanks everybody who's been commenting, helping out on the short and on the actual video. The video has a little more play to it. Like I was able to make it a little bit longer, showing you a little more detail on that one. So check that one out. I'm gonna still keep on playing with this. Hopefully by the time I make the next video about the spacers, this problem is solved and not it was just meant to work like that. So that is gonna be it for this one, guys. Again, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. If you want to support the channel, check my affiliate links in the description below. And I gotta get out of here because we're going to go to a party tonight. That's it for today. See you on the trails. Goodbye.